Right here we are, Con Expo 2025. I'm with the Betonstar expert, no pressure expert, Roman from Betonstar with the 36. What do we call this model? What's the designation? It's a double Z boom.
It's a 5C boom, a real C boom. No, it's a really C folding boom, 5-section boom.
5-section double Z.
And we have the new outrigger system.
This is the real star of the show. Telescoping, slewing front outriggers. So it's a 3-stage outrigger?
2-stage out. So the main and then 2 telescopes.
Right, okay, main plus 2 telescopes.
Yes. So the really big advantage is the outrigger is already in the position during driving, in the position where you have to fold it up later on.
Right.
Telescope just so if there is no space on the right side or on the side, you just open a little bit
and drop it down.
Drop it out, so only passing the cabin that there is space, and then you can telescope it. And in this way you have a more range of working area for about 45%.
Okay, so you can basically come fully extended boom, come in line.
Correct.
With the outrigger.
Correct. Till the outrigger.
And the really cool thing is not only do they have that set up on the front, but on the back we get the telescopic outriggers. We don't have the regular slewing riggers on the back.
Right. No more slewing. We put it with the H. That means there is much more space for hoses or pipes or other equipment you can put on the machine.
So we were discussing the water tank is in the frame on each side.
The water tank is, we have on both cross beams the water tanks, and in the front we have the hydraulic tanks.
And the cooler is actually going to move to here, and the boom valves will move to there. This is sort of a prototype version right now.
Yes.
So this isn't final. But yeah, you can see tons of deck space. Fold down sideboards, right? Sideboards do fold down.
Correct.
And there's lots of space on this too. It's really open. What do you 16 cell pump
16
kit?
cell.
Proc switches, closed loop hydraulics, right?
The same like all the other machines.
Same pump kit that's been in the market for 20 plus years, proven. All your valving is right here. That's very accessible.
Because it's more to the back. There is the possibility now to bring it more to the hopper, so the lines are much more smaller, which is good for the accumulator, because the accumulator can give the power, the hydraulic flow directly to the
less
cylinder. There is less
loss. Is it parasitic loss? Would that be the correct term? Parasitic loss? Something like that. What is that? Just a high pressure water?
No, this is not the high pressure. This is normal water hose, but this will be changed also to the back of the hopper, so that the operator have not to.
Look at the hose though. It's a pretty skookum water hose.
It's a strong water hose. Yeah. It's an hydraulic hose, and we are using it for the water.
I like the nozzle. That's cool. Yeah. See, it's really clean. Standard stuff in the hopper. What 9 to 7 S-tube, big mouth they call it, right?
Yes, sir.
So obviously this is on a European chassis, so it'll be a little bit different in the North American market.
Just for Europe, the rear end right protection. This is the law. Most of them are going to take it away because it's not very comfortable for the truck mixers, but law is law.
So the spread in the rear in feet is, I think it was about 18 feet in the rear.
Something like this. And then
it's a little tough to see just because of the sun and the angle, but yeah, it's a 5-section double Z, 36-meter boom. Very compact package. But like I said, the real star is the outriggers. That's what sets it apart. That's a first in class to have those outriggers combined with the telescopics in the rear. I normally say telescopic, but I've been in Europe for 4 days and I'm saying telescopic.
Yes,
I'm adapting to the culture.
The telescoping is the correct pronunciation. There are just,
yes, right.
It's two different ways. You have the X like usual, or the Schwing has the X.
Is the truck locked?
It's no, you can open it.
Oh, HBC radio?
This is the HBC radio remote control.
Oh, nice. HBC is my favorite for boom pump radio.
Me either.
I like aircom for line pump, but for boom pump, I still like the HBC. So all the basic functions: toggle switch for forward, reverse, latching toggle for boom on off.
Speed, stroke control. Move down for the.
Does this one have a? Oh, yeah, it does have stroke change. Okay.
The stroke change here. The
right on the side, yeah.
Yeah. So
And what do you guys do for a backup remote on this one? Is it a cable remote or a second wireless transmitter?
second wireless.
Second wireless, okay. So if I climb up. Oh yeah, oh my God. Look at this. I think I saw one that had a refrigerator in the middle that was optioned out with that. But what a beautiful truck to get a cab over like this. Is that right? I thought I saw one that had a refrigerator in the middle there. Is that actually an option? One of these chassis?
It's a chassis, it's an option.
Yeah, I swear. I thought that's what it was.
It's an option.
The only thing I don't like about these chassis, the only one thing, they're a lot higher than the North American ones.
That's right. That's right. We have more space for the ground.
I was talking to one of the engineers there a couple days ago about our trucks, and told her it's from Canada, and she goes, "Oh yeah, you guys have the rubbish truck." That's what she called it. I'm like, yeah, I guess it actually is. I never thought of it that way, but
no, but it's coming because in the beginning you used only this Mac.
I think that's still the big portion of the market for them.
Was produced for the garbage.
Yeah, concrete pumps are just a tiny little segment, right?
Yeah.
So no, that's it's just really well laid out. And you were saying, Roman was saying that maybe Scott was saying the boom valves.
The boom
they're going to move. They'll move those, right?
Also.
Okay, so a couple little changes. But I'm just here for the outriggers and the double Z boom. You ever meet my friend Dan? He's usually at the trade shows with me. Taller, bigger guy. Oh, he and I argue all the time. He loves the double Z.
Okay.
I was an RZ guy. He's a double Z guy. This is the pump for him.
Yeah.
So
we call it a real C.
the real Z.
Because we call it a C, and what you mean with double Z is the C, and the other one is a RZ or
Yes,
or
yeah,
RZ.
RZ, yeah, rolling Z, because
Yeah,
the first
this
three
is what
roll,
we-
but this one is all Z. So
Correct. So it's not a. We don't call it double C. We call it a C.
C. And then what strength steel is that through the whole
strength
structure?
steel is just for the boom and the pedestal and the outrigger.
Boom pedestal
This is
outriggers.
special
Okay.
steel we buy it from SSAB
Okay.
from Sweden.
And in case anybody knows, 'cause somebody's gonna say something, the tight radius 90s on the pedestal right now, that's not the final version,
No,
right?
it's coming with the big radius.
Yeah, that was just to get it buttoned up for the show. So don't get your you know what's in a bunch about that. That will be regular 90-degree elbows. So, but no, it's a beautiful machine. You've done a good job. North America, when can we see these? What do you think?
So this one will go after the show. It will go back to the Turkey.
Yeah.
We need to make a rework on it. Then it's a prototype. We need to test it, everything. So I think
World of Concrete next year?
World of Concrete next year, most probably. Yeah.
Perfect. So I'll do a video with Francois.
Yes, sir.
Francois couldn't be here. It's not that fun anyhow, right? You're not missing much, buddy. Right. Well, there is the new Betonstar 36 double Z or Z. New 36Z telescopic front outriggers, H pattern rear outriggers, and yeah, she's a beauty. Bauma 2025. Keep on pumping. Do this, do that. Catch you on the next one.